Maayong butang kanatong tanan. Mass intentions. Thanksgiving Mass for all the graces and blessings received, offered by Penny Lara, SEA Alumni Batch 1974. Thanksgiving Mass in honor of Our Lady of the Abundant, our Mother of Perpetual Health, and all saints, offered by Jeanette Lydia, Maria Teresa Orlino. Thanksgiving Mass for the birthday of Maria Teresa Orlino. Prayer for the eternal repose of Reverend Father Pedro O.E.R., Reverend Father Faustino O.E.R., Reverend Father Rafael O.E.R., Reverend Father Humberto O.E.R., Father Pedro O., Father Boyax, Father Joel O.E.R., Father Faustino Tino O.E.R., La Digalacion, Valeriana, Reverend Father Pedro Co., Angonico, Antonieto, Cayetana, Dioscora, Eleodora, Emilio, Fidel, Hermosilia, Jesus, Maria, Nepomucena, Pedrito, Nepomucena, Rebecca, Ray, Ronelo, Shirley, Victoriano, Narciso, Hermenia, Reverend Father Paulino, Angelita, Carmelito, Cersei Natividad, Dominador, Eleuterio, Ernesto, Palomina, Isabelita, Minda, Jimmy, Nicomedes, Ramon, Restituto, Roberto, Simeon Jr., Felix, Rogelio, Elvira, Roslyn, and all souls in purgatory.